As I sat in the sun-drenched garden surrounded by the soothing sounds of birdsong and the gentle rustling of leaves, I couldn't help but indulge in the delectation of watching a majestic domestic cat, its fur glistening in the warm light as it lazily strolled across the grassy lawn, its whiskers twitching with every subtle movement, while nearby a chatty group of sparrows flitted about, their bright plumage adding a pop of color to the serene scene. And yet, despite the beauty all around me, my attention remained fixated on the feline's languid pace, mesmerized by its very own brand of feline majesty.